Okay guys, so I have tried to get the screws off and it's impossible. So what we're going to do is, for the first stage, we're going to use some a blaster, some PB blaster penetrating oil. I've already went through and got it. You can see it on there. These seem to screw. I reached out to one of my friends who is he works on a fire department. He's a fireman, to see if there's a special tool that I need to get these two caps off, because to me it looks like it screws, but we'll see. This is a original fire hydrant from New York, and the date on it is, let's see if it even has a date. 665, that must be the zip code open. I guess after I'm done blasting, maybe I'll find a date, but yeah, we'll see next step. Okay guys, after struggling, we got the cap off. So one part down. These are a bitch. They are frozen like a motherfucker. So we are gonna blast them. It's kind of hard to see through the camera. And then again, we are going to do a little bit more down in here. Anything that will help. But next step is taking those off. I'm not sure how many pieces this should break up into. I'm assuming 1, 2, which would be that cap, 3 the base, 4 and 5 the two caps there, 5 pieces. We have no idea what color she wants it. With her, it's probably going to be some sparkly gold or something. I have no clue. I want to try talking her into having like a more traditional red and white, or I'll look online and see what colors they were back in the day, but this kind of looks silver, not necessarily white. So, and then that, oh, right there's a date. Okay, 1978. So it's almost 50, close to 50 years. Well, 48 or something like that. Sorry about my math right now, but okay. We'll see you if we can get that part off. So my buddy, who's on the local fire department, came over. We were able to take this off. It was a bitch, it had a gasket. And then we took all the bolts, which we'll blast everything. We'll clean this up nice. So now we are on to these, and I'm gonna be looking for a spanner wrench, one for a 5-inch cap, I think it was, and one for an 8-inch cap, 5.5 and 8-inch cap. Never used them before, don't really know what I'm looking for, but I have to buy it to be able to complete this job. So I'm done for the day, and I'll come back to this tomorrow. But at least we have that, penetrating oil on it. I got this part here, and then this is off too. So, okay, I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, so we just blasted it. We just blasted it with the eastward pop. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use pre-prep to clean it. And then what we are gonna do, I'm gonna tape this off because I wanna keep it brass. My buddy who owns another shop, Chameleon Coatings, he taught me a little secret. Things like this, if I'm not gonna get to it today to powder it, you can use this, then powder over this, and this will not boil in oven. And to be honest with you, this is my first time of trying it. So I heard that paint, which I've actually never cooked paint, so I heard that it does boil. So as you see, we're flooded, well, a little flood, but it's raining. So in a damp area, I don't want to keep these damp because they will flash rust, being cast. So I am going to try that. And then tomorrow I'll come back and I will end up powder coating it, and we'll see how that works out. So we just tried the galvanized paint, and we will see if it actually does let us powder coat over it without bubbling. He says he does it, and it's a way to stop the flash rust, and if you need a little time between the metal being blasted and actual powder. He said there's something in the paint, just it doesn't bubble. So we will see, guys. Tomorrow I'll probably end up doing it. I'm not sure what the customer wants for colors yet. So it could be wild or it could be basic. So I'm not 100% sure. Hi guys, I apologize. We got busy and I did not record the powder coating process. Please go back and check out some of our other videos for that, but the turnout was great. I hope you enjoyed the video.